Okay, so hi, welcome to this video. I want to make one more alteration and to make this thing more convenient again, because I don't want to keep switching back and forth for file layers, and instead I want to actually put the files right here in this thin pipe flow snappy hex mesh intermediate plus Salome video scripts. Okay, so how do I do that? Okay, so I'm going to vim both files again, and note now that my file name is this u. All right, it is velocity now. For example, I want to write this velocity. Okay, so so there is some things I need to do. Actually, I will not just need to provide the file name. If I want to for example, put this file in a different directory, I will need to specify the path to the file plus the name of the file. Okay, so the path to the file and the name to the file. So there'll be a lot of things that I will need to change. So yeah, so let's just do that. Okay, I'm going to very simply set a file path attribute. Okay, so that will be quite straightforward here. Okay, first I'm going to get the current directory, def get current directory, self import os, return os.getcwd. That's the current directory. Okay, so this is the current directory which I have, and then I want to have this part called get current file path. Def get git repo file path. Okay, so the repo file path is, well, I'll just return this. I will return a string. I will get a string, and I want to put it in this particular place. I'll get this particular place. Alright, so I'll put it here. This is the particular place I want. Alright, and then so this is the, well, I can call this local file path equals to this. Okay, and then I'll just return self.get current directory plus local file path. Okay, so I'll be concatenating these two strings together. All right, so I will get this. I'll just get file path. I have this method called get file path, and let's just add this to everywhere we see the pressure and velocity. Okay, so so get self.get file path, right? Self.get file path, and I will want to put it in my Git repo. So let's do this one by one. So this is nothing too much to set here. This is nothing too much to set. Again, nothing too much to set here. Okay, so the right kinematic pressure dimensions will be over here. So I can do self.get file path plus this plus pressure. So I'm going to replace this. I'm going to use the full stop to just keep repeating all of this everywhere I see a file path. So this one is here, I'll leave it be. Okay, everywhere I see the word U or the word P, I'm going to put this in. So add this in, add this in. Okay, add this in, add this in. Yeah, and you notice this one or two apostrophes doesn't really make too much of a difference in this context. They can almost be used interchangeably. They're slightly different, but I won't be discussing the differences. I kind of forgot at this moment. but I mean, I can go and read up and present it to you, but you know, that's not what I'm going to do. All right, and it's not really important to this video anyhow. Okay, so this is the file path which I have given to all of them. So yeah, that's one way of doing it. Or we can actually get the velocity and pressure file path like separately. Yeah, I can do this sort of thing. Let's see. This I think it should still work. It's a little bit messy. I would like it to be neater though, but as for now it is okay. I'm just going to use the file as is. If there is really necessity to make things neater, I will do so. Oopsie. Foam writer test. Okay, so let's see whether we have our files here, and indeed we have our P and our U files in the correct directory. So yeah, it works. Okay, and if we take a look here, all the files are in the same thing, so we can just keep editing. We don't need to do the vim of the input output, everything. It should be okay. Yeah, so this is just to make things more convenient. Okay, well, yeah, let's see. Yeah, I mean, I'm contemplating whether I should put both of these into a get function just to make it neater, but yeah, I could, but it's redundant now. Though of course, yeah, you'll make the code a lot neater. Okay, let me just make the decision. For now, I don't need to do this. Okay, I don't need to do this. Though of course it does look a bit messy, I have to admit. But yeah, if things get annoying in future, then we'll just sort it out there. Yeah. So I guess a good heuristic in coding is not to overdo the thing. Just get the code to where it's needed, make sure you document well, and yeah, things should be okay. If it gets messy, make it neater. Alright, as for now, I think it's still okay. I can still take it, but the moment I cannot just make it neater by doing more get functions. Yeah. So that's all. I shall see you next time. Thanks for watching.